Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening. Just finished watching The Countdown 2, starring my ex-lover Ben Affleck and John Bertal. Here it is. Hold on. I'll just take a pee. The movie lasted for 2 hours and few minutes, like let's say 10. Hold on. Before we start, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, Helen Corrento of San Roque, Legazpi City, my childhood friend, and my sister Christine. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. To all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much. Hold on. To all my lovely countries, 11 lovely countries. Of course, Philippines, United States. Hold on. United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Mexico, China. Hold on, there's still some. Oh gosh, sorry. Indonesia, Canada, and so did I say? Hold on, where is it? Anyway, to each and everyone of you. I don't know if I can say that this movie is a. I don't know if this movie meet my satisfaction guarantee, but there it is, the accountant. Hold on. So here we are. Let's do this quick. They have a good combination, tandem combination. They have the chemistry of being like friends, being like brothers, and being a partners in crime. But you know what? Okay, I love the movie, but it's not a fast pace because they have lots of boring scenes, even though they're talking some relevant. Sometimes it's really irrelevant, and there's no need for the story to take it for so long. And there are some surprise elements, not actually are really a surprise, but a nice scenes that they shown on the movie. And I like the fighting scenes, the chasing scenes, the car chase, the wrecking of some cars, some trucks, and I like the banging of the guns, different kind of guns, the way they shoot the what's this bad people, and some characters are have their shining moments, and it looks like a real one during the filming of this film because the production designs, the what's this the place that they have shot in the movie looks good also. And Ben Affleck still have this kind of machismo, that kind of having an oozing sex appeal, but he didn't show his body here. But this one, he keeps on showing his yummy body. And I think there will be a part 3 for this one because the story doesn't end yet. And What's this I'm gonna say? Hold on, I'm being lost. Uh, mm, I think I have to go. Sorry. Entertaining in a way, but don't expect too much because, as what I've told you, there are some boring scenes. They prolong the story, especially when they're talking to each other, having some bonding moments. Anyway, um, they entertain me. And for now,